Chang and my matrix number is 270306. Now I will continue to present the part of order delivery. It is almost same with the order pickup procedure. When shop owner click the order delivery button, the order delivery page will display and show all the details such as order name, order date, customer ID, pending time. Shop owner will print out the receipt and click done to update the status of delivery. If shop owner needs to cancel the order, he may click the trash icon here. Meanwhile, when customer click the order delivery button, the details of product such as quantity and product name will display. The customer needs to choose the time that he wants the delivery to proceed. The customer may select the time he wanted and click the save or click the icon to discard the change.